thanks to Yanni, hard-working fella, getting it done. And I've also got some parental support. I had parents donate money towards this to help me pay for workers. So thank you so much for your support. Blah blah blah.
Blah blah blah. Hello. Blah blah blah.
Blah blah blah. Notice this, how there's no weeds to speak of here, and very small weeds here. And the ones that come up have really soft roots, so it doesn't matter even if they're thistles that come up, you can pull them out. And right next door, where there's no ahiro, no ground cover to speak of, you get these thistles coming up. Big problem. These are my Hugel beds, but I've put this up to the water tank. So then what happens is we fill this tank up from the big one, which goes up, and the car park is just to the right of that tree. It will be filled from the roof, and then water will go to there. Water can be gravity fed into here, and then we can water our plants from here on the 3 Hugel beds. So that way there's no risk of accidentally leaving the tap on the big tank and draining it. The compost area, oleander, poisonous and toxic to soil. There's no bugs here anymore, so it's done its time. It's got some moisture to it. It's really gorgeous. So it's looking good. Really happy with the water harvesting systems. All of the garden beds are designed to soak up. They're actually dug in deep. We've got pits under all of them that all join, and they wind through the system. They wind back and forward, and all that water runs down here and then winds through the system here and then along the swale. So we have water harvesting at its best because these are sponges with wood in them. This is Hugel Kultur. So we've got the timber now in the winter season, it's just started, where the rain is soaked in and then it decomposes the wood, and that fertilizes for years to come. So we don't have to worry about fertilizing, but we do have worms for that purpose. Then after these have completely saturated, completely soaked it up, and the water moisture stays in the beds because they're now covered with straw, the microbiology is healthy, then it runs through the system into the swale. Then if the swale actually fills up, I have an overflow down the bottom, and the swale is a soaking system to hydrate the land below it. So stage 2, the bottom, which is now currently a weed infested area, stage 2 will have our long growth and our timber and our food, our burning wood forests, and stage 2 will have the banana circles, another swale, more trees, more food forest trees, more garden beds. So let's see how that goes in time.